that the scent of women's tears causes a dramatic and significant reduction in testosterone in men.
What?
Absolutely.
You can smell tears?
Yeah, we have, the Super Bowl of publishing in science is Science, Nature, and Cell. Those are the three top journals. This is published in Science magazine, very stringent. The smell of tears. Now, it's subconscious at some level.
Whoa.
But the other thing that, if we were going to kind of play around in this hormones and behavior interactions between humans, there are some really interesting examples. So, for instance, men will rate the smell of a woman's skin or sweat or the perception of her face as more beautiful during the pre-ovulatory phase of her menstrual cycle. That pre-ovulatory phase is associated with a number of different changes in hormones, okay? Just that smell will increase testosterone in a male. And oral contraception in the female, women taking oral contraception, it adjusts their hormones such that men no longer detect this change in how attractive women are. Doesn't mean they find them unattractive, but it means they don't find them increasingly attractive during this certain period of their menstrual cycle. In fact, we met over there and shook hands because we've been tested for COVID and the rest. We shook hands, and what happened and what happens within 30 seconds of any human being contacting one another is they shake hands and then they wipe the chemicals of the other person on their face or body. Noam's lab has also shown this. And so we are constantly signaling through chemical exchange. Sometimes it's subconscious, and those are the so-called pheromone effects. Sometimes it's low levels of odors that are beneath our conscious detection. And sometimes it's outright, wow, this person smells really, really good. Or they look particularly good today. Oftentimes that's tied to the period in which they're ovulating in their menstrual cycle. So we are constantly signaling back and forth through hormones. In fact,